choice. If she ain't got a boy, yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these times like you the Batman, you just wanna pull up in designer with your best friends, you don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shy.
So today I am here to talk about this this wig right here. This is a human hair deep wave. What is it? It's a 13x4 wig. It came with 2 clips in the front, but I cut them out. Clip in the back and adjustable straps. And I just want to preface everything I'm about to say by saying that this wig is so bad, so bad, that when I looked up the link again, like when I looked to find the link again today, oops, so I could put it in the description box in case somebody else wanted to try it, it's no longer being sold. That tells you that right there. But I put in an elastic band by the ears because I prefer my wigs glueless. So I'm on a hair growth journey, so I'll just put it on. This is the wig straight out the stash. No doing nothing to it. I wore it like a week ago. I wanted to give it another shot, you know, 3rd time's the charm maybe. I've worn it in an updo. I've worn it half up, half down. I've worn it brushed out, but it doesn't really, the curls don't really get defined because the ends are really straggly. Like the ends almost get to a body wave texture. So I don't know what process they were using to steam it, but let me comb it out so you can see how it actually looks, like more presentable or whatever. Okay, so I know I look crazy, but actually, do I look crazy? Because I really like big hair. This is kind of like my preferred style of it. As you can see, I haven't like tacked it down, but this is kind of how I like to wear it. I like to wear it like kind of wild. I'll either wear it like wild like this or spray it down so that it's more defined and then clip it up in the claw clip. It's not hold a curl. It doesn't hold. It's defined curled. It's not, I wouldn't say it's a deep wave. I would say it's half deep wave. It's like a really intense body wave. Price point was, I'll pop it up on the screen because I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I paid human hair price for it. Maybe like Remy. I did bleach the knots. It took me 2 times to bleach these knots, and they're not even bleached like all the way. It started bleeding onto the hair. The knots are really large. They're really resistant to bleach, which makes me think it's more of a like human hair blend or a lower quality human hair. But I can understand why they're not selling it anymore because they probably got so many bad reviews. They just pulled it off of Amazon. But I would not recommend. On a scale of 1 to 5, it's 0. Yeah. Add onto the lack of versatility and the hardness of it to bleach, it is nowhere near beginner friendly because I consider myself an intermediate beginner when it comes to human hair wigs. No, maybe somebody like Peak Mill or Ivy can like finesse this to look better or do some special stuff to make it look better in its curly state, but my hands were not able. Not beginner friendly. It's affordable for a human hair wig. I still don't say it would be worth it. Maybe to like buy it to practice, but if you're gonna spend all that money to practice, just get you a cute synthetica and go on about your business. It also sheds like a lot. Like I'm surprised, like the density is already not that much, and then this shed is like crazy. Like curly hair units, all units shed or whatever, but it sheds to excess. So but thank you for watching my channel. If you want more hair videos, hair content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next. Tell me what you prefer to see from me. And yeah, Have a good day. Bye.